Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LG to REALME C15. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing app called CLONEit. After that, open it on both of them. Tap Allow and Agree. Now I have to go with Sender on LG because I want to send all of my files and give access to my device location. Click Receiver on REALME because you want to receive all of your files and search. Now tap on available device and you have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will go with scanning, so I will click Allow, scan my code and tap OK to connection request. Normally you have to tap all of those to send all of your files, but it will take a lot of time, so I will just click Details and go with Song League of Legends. Tap Start, OK and wait. Then tap Finish, Allow. And now when I go into music and wait a bit, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!